Coach Missy, tatlong most energetic runner na kayang i-showcase sa amin ang mga dance moves na yan after running. Sabayan niyo si Coach Missy. It's just a quick, and then after this, we'll proceed with the awarding. Ayan, here are the mostly looking for the most energetic runner. May nasa-scout lang kami isa. Actually, I think right after finishing 3 kilometer category, at that age, energetic pa rin. We'll start giving the prizes to the first lucky winner of the most energetic runner. Runner. Ayan, meron na agad. May isa na napili. Ayan. The bunny guy. Last one. Isa na lang po yung nahanap namin.
Welcome back to my vlog. So here we are, you know what to do. Okay, here we have again a running event, and this time it will be for Intramuros Legacy Run. And here we go. Naka-prepare na ako actually. Sapatos lang yung kulang. So I wanted to share. I have a new shoes. Gusto ko siyang i-try today, which is this one. The Adizero Boston 12. I have tried na itakbo to. Just to test also. Syempre, para sanay na yung paa natin, diba? But I'm thinking it twice. Gusto ko mag-try mag-PR for 10K today. So, and parang hindi pa ako komportable gana sa kanya. I need to run more with the shoes. So, I'm just gonna go with my Anti-Trouble 2S. So, ayun. Ayan. Well, shoes na lang yung kulang, then ready to go. Kasi, it's already 3:12. And yung assembly, if I'm not mistaken, is 4 or 4:30. Eh, ngayon nandito tayo sa Pasay. So, I need to book a ride papunta ng Intramuros. So, gotta go everyone. See you and the running race village. Okay? Okay. Hi everyone. So we got arrived. Intramuros babes. Wait. Ito na tayo guys. Dami ng runners. See? Fort Santiago. Hi everyone! So here we are sa Fort Santiago. Ito na tayo guys. Starting line. Legit, dito talaga sa loob ng Fort Santiago sila nag-set up. yung baggage area kasi may bag tayo. So, let's see kung saan. I don't know what is this. Pero parang mga boot ata to. So, okay, nakita ko na. Ay, shit.
No, I don't like it. But I got something. And it's that people
Share your location, we'll go to you. Take din
Second. Third loop, last na ikot. Wow. Last 1 km. Water. Ano daw ba ito? Ang dami natin nasasalubong mga kadete. Mga kadete ng PLM. Pagod na ako ngayon. Thank you. Tubig. Ma'am, pwedeng dito na lang sa takip. Sige po. Hindi na talaga kaya eh. Oops.
Hindi na kaya.
Tatlo na rin po kasi sa'yo, walang baso. Oh my gosh. Hi. More. Let's go.
pedestrian ma'am, finish na po kayo.
Pedestrian ma'am, kanan na po, finish time.
Alright. Let's go. ko na talaga kaya. Over na sa 10K. Pero yun na yun. Let's go.
Any sample coming from the low class? Baka meron kayo dyan, please begin here. Ay, ayan na.
Whew, I'm done. Wait, stop.
3, ayan.
That's 10.7. Grabe.
Coffee. Meron ba? Yung mga nagkape na from Simba Coffee. Yes, here's here.
Congrats po.
Please, begin here.
Lagyan ko lang.
Thanks.
Ayan, thank you very much sir for supporting Simba Coffee. Ayan, up next, welcome the photo opportunity. Coach, may si tatlong most energetic runner na kayang i-showcase sa amin ang mga dance moves na yan.
Can you hear?
After running, sabayan niyo si Coach Missy. It's just a
Uy.
quick, and then after this, we'll proceed with the awarding.
Dito ba yung medal?
Ay, sa picture po. Ito po yung medal.
Yeah.
Can you hear that? Siyempre, sabay tayo Zumba. Oh, cute.
Company, please come
Sorry,
on the
ako na to,
stage.
magbaback
May
up.
prize din daw. Ayan si Ma'am, sige. Ayan, we are the closely looking for the most energetic runner. May nasa-scout lang ako ng isa. Actually, I think right after finish ng 3 kilometer category, at that age, energetic pa rin. We'll start giving the prizes to the first lucky winner of the most energetic runner.
Okay guys, so yan, nandito muna tayo sa isang tabi, pero nandito pa rin tayo sa loob ng Intramuros, sa events place. Actually, nandun pa sila, if you can see in my background. Yeah. Nandun pa sila, pahinga lang tayo. Bago tayo umikot, kasi ang ganda ng place nila. So, of course, it's Intramuros. So, dito talaga nilagay sa Port Santiago. Then, you can walk around. So, before anything else, I just wanted to show you guys kung anong nakuha ko. Aside sa medal. I'm gonna show you this medal. Yeah. Here you go. Ang ganda niya guys, if you can see it clearly. Eto, kahoy siya, but it's engraved, like laser engraved, like that. So it's Legaceron 2025 10-kilometer finisher. Okay, so aside from that, we got the medal. Tabi na natin, baka mawala pa. We also got this 1, 2, and 3. What is this? It's a prize. Sumali tayo sa most energetic Zumba. So, here we go. Hindi sila nakakuha nito guys. Tayo lang. Ay, ganun. So, ayan. Ito. Masarap to. Yung Thai tea latte. Na-try ko na to once. Yung matcha. Bumili ko once sa 7-Eleven. But yeah, thank you so much Legaceron for the prize. We got some drinks here. And also, we have this from EXL. It's a mixed fruit, and you just need to add it on a loop or warm water. The 50 ml, if I'm not mistaken. Sinasabi kasi nila, while nakapila ka dun kasi ang haba ng pila. You just need to follow and like their page, then you can get this free sample. And another thing, baka kasi naghahanap kayo ng loot bag, guys, pero wala kasing loot bag na inclusion talaga. You can see my name, it's metal baggage, yun lang. Wala naman talaga kasing loot bag. Kung may loot bag, meron yan siya. But usually, for some na may loot bags, they're going to include that. And based on my experience na may loot bags, nakakuha din ako ng ganito. Sa kanila, wala silang loot bags, but you just need to go to the information booth. Then they will gonna give you this samples. You have a Salon Pass patch, and we got a promo for a Rev, 20% off, and it says it will be applicable until February 28th, same as this one. It will be from Nike, and yeah, use this voucher. The terms and conditions applies at the back of the voucher, and usually that's our only 3. But since walang gano'ng hindi ko alam, walang gano'ng lumalapit sa information booth, or they are really not informed. Dumaan lang ako dun, paalis na ako. Maglilibot sana ako. Inabutan nila ako ulit. This time, si ate, binigyan ako ng 4. Sabi ko, meron na ako. Sabi niya, hindi ma'am. Inabot niya talaga. Another set. So, I have 2 sets, guys. If you are going to get or purchase items from Nike or Rev, you can send me a PM. Inyo na. I'll give this to you guys. Kakabili ko lang ng shoes. So, how? Hindi ko siya magagamit. But, yeah, if anyone can, I will really go and give this one. Okay, so yeah, those are the items that I have here. All in all experience, that's good. Students, so I think merong field trip ngayon dito. Ayan. Well, what I can say, this is the first time na mag-run sila for this legacy. So, not bad. Nakulangan sa tubig. Sure, hindi kasi nagdala ng tubig na easy. But, ayun, so far, it's good. Ang ganda ng medal. Solid. Solid talaga yung medal. And, yeah. That. And, ano, ang ganda ng scenery dahil. 4 loops. 4 naikot. For the 10 kilometers. Okay. Let's go out. Yeah. Well, I think that will be all, guys. Pinakita ko lang na lumabas ako doon. Pero ayun yung events area. Okay, so yeah, that will be all. Bye.